From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on this Friday, January 29th. The word for the day is liquidation. The CRB is getting killed and it's dragging everything down with it. Along with that, the euro is trading in the 138 handle. It's down 99 points. You know, we could like the stock market as much as we want. We could tote our horn as much as we want. But when things are going on like this and crude's down like it is, it's going to be very, very hard to keep a long position in the stock market. Now this morning what happened was we opened up around the 1185 and a half, 1186 level, and then we popped up to 93. We took out the stops that this desk put out on their instant messages, and then as that happened, a lot of like friendly talk entered into the market. One of them was that there was kind of like a rising bottom formation forming in the S&P, and lo and behold, about a half hour later, down we go, straight back down we go. And that's kind of the gist of what we're looking at here. And you know, on the IM this morning, as the market got up toward the highs, the guys actually put out something that said, you know, if you're really looking at this correctly, you should be selling this rally. And a lot of guys came back and said, no, you know, month end, coming into the Monday, which has been coming into our Monday scenario, which has been up 15 out of the last 18 occasions, they didn't have much of an appetite for that. But here we are, down in the dumps again. You know, as we go into the later parts of the day, we may get some type of short covering bounces here, but you know what, the markets are pretty well set in motion. Over in the 10-year note options, they've got about 55,000 traded. Over in the euros, they've got euro options, they've got about 250,000 traded. Other than that, the floor is pretty quiet, with the exception of what's going on behind us in the S&P and S&P options bit. We've been busy. Yesterday they did 3 million minis on the CME floor. So you know what, as we said a couple of weeks ago, the downside makes everything turn around, and we're seeing big volume and big trade here. We'll see you next Monday with Mr. Top Step's next report.